Quartiles. Just as there are 99 percentiles that divide the data into 100 groups, there are 3 quartiles that divide the data into 4 groups. Now, quartiles are measures of location, denoted as Q1, Q2, Q3, which divide a set of data into 4 groups, about 25% of the values in each group. Now, the descriptions of the quartiles. Well, quartile 1 is the following, the first quartile. It's the same as percentile 25. It separates the bottom 25% of the sorted data values from the top 75%. Quartile 2 is the second quartile. This is the same as the 50th percentile and the same as the median. It separates the bottom 50% of the sorted values from the top 50%. Third quartile. This is the same as the 75th percentile. It separates the bottom 75% of the sorted values from the top 25%. Now, here it says finding the values of quartiles can be accomplished with the same procedure using for finding percentiles. Simply use the relationship shown to the right. Again, quartile 1 represents the 25th percentile. Quartile 2 is equal to the 50th percentile, and quartile 3 is the 75th percentile. Now, caution, just as there is not universal agreement on a procedure for finding percentiles, there is not universal agreement on a single procedure for calculating quartiles. And different computer programs often yield different results. So if you use a computer software for exercising involving quartiles, you may get results that differ slightly from the answers obtained by using the procedures described here. Now, statistics define using quartiles and percentiles. We also want to find out what is the interquartile range. It's also abbreviated as IQR. And that's defined as taking quartile 3 and subtracting quartile 1. Next, we have the semi-interquartile range. Okay, and that's equal to quartile 3 minus quartile 1 divided by 2. Then we have the mid-quartile, which is quartile 3 plus quartile 1 divided by 2. And then we have the 10 to 90% range. This is taking the value of the 90th percentile and subtracting the 10th percentile. And then the last part here is we have the 5-number summary. Now, the values of the minimum, maximum, and 3 quartiles are used for the 5-number summary and the construction of a box plot graphs. So, for a set of data, the 5-number summary consists of these 5 values. The first one is the minimum. The second one is the first quartile, Q1. The second is second quartile, quartile 2, which is the same as the median. The fourth is the third quartile, which is Q3. And the last one is the maximum.